Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Dish. In this video today, I thought it'd be really fun to take you guys into INQURIES. It's a local greenhouse here where I live, and today they are having a country Christmas craft fair, which is always super fun. I love going every year. It gets me in the mood for Christmas. Their decorating is amazing in here, so you guys are gonna get a ton of awesome Christmas decorating ideas and see some really cool products. And then they also have tables set up for the crafters who come, and they basically sell their crafts. They're like artisan crafters, and there's all sorts of really neat stuff. So I'm gonna go in here and show you guys around. You guys are gonna get tons and tons of Christmas motivation from this video. So make sure you guys are subscribed down below so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Click that little notification bell so that you guys get notified when I post. And I'm gonna get started right away and take you guys inside.
Alrighty, so as I'm taking you guys inside, you will notice that there are all sorts of beautiful holiday arrangements out here. The wonderful thing about this place is that it is a greenhouse, so they have so many fresh greenery items for the holiday season. And as we walk in through the front doors, the glitter and the glistening starts, and it looks absolutely gorgeous already. There is so much to look at this place. You could literally spend hours, and I'm sure you still probably wouldn't have gotten through everything. So if you're looking for home decor items for the holiday season, there is more than enough here. So this place is actually a local store. It's local to the place where I live, and I just find that it's so nice to sometimes check out the local shops. You can find so many unique and cool things when you're shopping local. The one thing that you will notice when you are looking around this place is the many Christmas trees that they have. They have so many Christmas trees in here. I didn't count them all, but every tree is a themed tree. So you will get like a country Christmas tree or like a glam Christmas tree. There's so many different themes, and you can buy all of the decorations right off the tree, and they have them all scattered all around the floor along the tree, so you can find as many as you need. It is just so gorgeous. It can be really overwhelming, but having the themed trees really helps, because at least it kind of gives you a vision on what design you are looking for, like what style you are looking to have for your Christmas tree. And if you guys aren't already following me over on Instagram, make sure you guys come on over there and say hello and give me a follow. I share a lot more day-to-day stuff over there. Now, my kids absolutely love coming here every year. Of course, they always find something that they want to pick up and bring home.
Emma, are we gonna get that puzzle? Which one is it? Show me.
Okay. The themed trees really help. I absolutely love seeing them all set up. It gives you so much inspiration for Christmas, especially if you need ideas on what to do with your tree. And the home decor items here are also amazing. They've got all those lanterns, they've got the Father Christmas figurines. You can do pretty much anything with your house with all of these Christmas decorations. And when it's not Christmas, they also have other decorations like for different seasons, and even just home items. Like there's those signs there, and there's patio furniture, all sorts of really cool stuff. So these pillows with the red truck and the Christmas tree on the back of them caught my eye right away. So I absolutely had to grab one of those pillows. And then when I looked at the price, I was floored. Like, the price is amazing. It's only $8.99. I thought that was a great deal. I don't 100% know where I will put it yet, but at that price, I will find a spot for it. Alright, so now we are heading into the crafters section. Over here you have all of the artisans displaying their crafts that they are selling for Christmas. Now this table has all of the hand crocheted dishcloths and hand scrubbies. They make amazing gifts and there are so many different really neat colors. These are great gift ideas because it is outside of the box, it's something different, and you are supporting a local person who is doing their craft on the side and trying to make a few dollars. Now over here I am finding some handmade ornaments. These are all wooden and hand painted. They are amazing and they have so much character.
Oh, Emmett, this one's so cute. Oh, it's a cute idea.
This one.
Which one is it? Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Yes. Here. Why do you want the fishing one? Because you like to fish? Yeah. We'll pay. Okay, you can pay for that one. Just give it to the man there.
Can they put that in the bag for you?
Do you want it in a bag, Emmett?
No, you're okay. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, so Emmett chose that really cute little decoration for the Christmas tree. He's going to be so excited to put that up when we do decorate our tree. And now I'm just going to keep moving along and check out more of the crafters. There's some really adorable handmade aprons and oven mitts over here. I've never seen oven mitts like that with a little heart, but those look super, super cute. And over here there's a bunch of homemade preserves. Those are always a really neat Christmas gift idea if you don't know what to get somebody. And here we have those really popular socks that you guys keep seeing all over Instagram and Pinterest. The ones that say things all over the bottoms. Those are super cute. Some handmade blankets, and there's all sorts of knitted hats and crocheted hats and little stained glass items. So many really awesome, unique Christmas gift ideas. So if you guys are struggling to figure out some Christmas gifts for people that you don't know what to buy for, you should definitely think of checking out your local Christmas craft fair where they have the artisans selling their items, because those are really great places to find gifts for people that you don't know what to buy. These little hand-painted babies are so detailed. I could not believe how realistic they were. These sweater mittens are also a really neat idea. They have so many different colors and styles to meet anybody's personal style. You could find all sorts of cool ones. Those ones with the little birdies on them are so cute. So now I'm leaving the craft fair section and I'm just going to continue exploring the greenhouse. They have so many other decor ideas and decor items for your home here. So I'm just going to go and see if I can find anything to bring home for my Christmas decorating. I just absolutely love the little Christmas village houses. I think it would be a great idea to collect one a year and see what kind of adorable village I could put together over the next 10 to 20 years. I keep meaning to buy one every year and letting the kids pick one out, but we've never actually done it. So maybe this will be the year and we will grab one of these and start our little collection. There are so many different home decor items that I want from here. I don't even know where to begin. I haven't even picked one out yet because there's so many of them and I have no idea what I want to put where. So I might wait until I go home and pull out all of my decor and kind of see what I need, like what's empty, what spaces are empty, if I could use anything before I go and just jump and buy a few more items. So I could always use an excuse to come and visit this place again. So right now I'm just going to take you guys through the area where all of the trees are on display, and I'm just going to quit talking for a few minutes so you guys can actually enjoy the beauty of these trees and just kind of check out all of the decorations.
My mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again.
Isn't this sign just the cutest? I'd like to find a spot in our place to put it, or maybe prop it up on our bookshelf or something like that. So I'm going to have to remember that this is here and try to find a spot for it at home. So you guys, I really fell in love with this red truck with the tree on the back. I looked at the price and it was $80 though, so I thought that was maybe just a little bit pricey, so I'm still going to keep thinking on that truck. But if you guys saw anything in this video that you think I should have to decorate our place, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you have to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyhow. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below and make sure you have that little notification bell turned on for my next upcoming videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!